In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Internet Explorer in Microsoft Edge. This is useful when you need to access websites that are only compatible with the older Internet Explorer system. First, open Microsoft Edge. Go to the top right corner and click the three dots. This is your Settings and More menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Next, on the left-hand side, click Default Browser. Here, locate Internet Explorer compatibility. Set low. Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode to allow. After this, Edge will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and click it. Once restarted, go to Appearance in the left-hand panel. Scroll down to Toolbar and toggle Internet Explorer mode, IE mode, on. You'll now see a Reload tab and Internet Explorer mode icon near your Favorites bar. To use it, open the website you want in IE mode and click the icon. And that's it. Your site is now running in Internet Explorer mode within Edge, giving you the modern features of Edge with the compatibility perks of IE. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes browsing older websites much easier.